So I'm gonna show you how to find your private key on Trust Wallet. So to get started, you have to locate your application on your phone or in browser. So from there, you just have to open your application, then input your password or fingerprints. So from there, you will be redirected to your homepage. And then you just have to click on your wallet, which is in above, right here. And then once you click on it, you will be redirected to the wallets. Then you have to click on the three dots. And then right after there, you just have to click on manual or Google Drive, which you have to back up or copy your private key wallet. So I'm just going to click manual and then enter your private key password or your fingerprints. And here, right here, you will see now your secret face or private wallet key. So I'm just going to blur it so you can copy my wallet. And then from there, just how you find your Trust Wallet private key.